Hey guys, Joey here. Today we're going to talk about the Atwood 37357 RV furnace blower motor. It fits the following Hydroflame part numbers: 8531-3, 8535-3, 8535-IV, 8935-DC1, 8940-DC-1, 8935-DC-2, 8940-DC-2, and the 8935-DC-3, as well as the 8940-DC-3. All right, that was a mouthful. We'll also post in the description where you can buy this motor and as well as the applicable models that work for this motor as far as replacement goes. This is again, part number 37357. So, till next time, guys, thanks for watching and safe